How to use the Ocean chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you want to use another theme on your Facebook Messenger or on one of your conversation. All you have to do is to tap on that specific conversation in order for you to change that specific conversation's theme. Let's say this one right here. Now all you have to do if you want to change the theme is to tap on this eye icon right here and click on theme under customization. Once you click on that, you will be given various options to choose from. So all you have to do in order for you to choose or use the Ocean chat theme on Facebook Messenger is to search for it, which is right here. Now, all you have to do to use this specific Ocean chat theme on your Facebook Messenger and on the specific conversation is to tap on that, and you are given a preview as to how your messages will look like. Now, once you've decided to use this, all you have to do is to tap on select right here, and now you have changed this specific conversation's theme into Ocean chat theme. So that's how to use the Ocean chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope you help.